Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, students. Sir, please make me host. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Chalo, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम
Yes.
आपने क्वेश्चंस भेजे ही नहीं।
कौन से क्वेश्चन वेदांत?
मैम जो आप स्टार्टिंग में लेते हो क्लास के पहले जो
अच्छा, तो वो मैं रफली लिखती हूँ ऐसे तो चलेगा क्या? मैं भेजू
यस
तो?
मैम चलेगा चलेगा।
ओके ओके ठीक है, I'll share.
ओके मैम।
मैम कल का क्वेश्चन
हाँ बोलो
आंसर बोलो क्या?
बोलो।
हाँ मैम, तो आपका क्वेश्चन था कि जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया है वो समर में क्रिसमस क्यों सेलिब्रेट करता है।
हाँ
तो सबको पता है कि अब जो अर्थ होता है वो टिल्टेड होता है 23.5 डिग्री से। तो
हम्म
जो साइड सन से दूर टिल्टेड होती है, फार अवे फ्रॉम द सन, उस
हम्म
साइड में विंटर एक्सपीरियंस होता है। और जो साइड्स अर्थ की टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स द सन होती है, उधर समर एक्सपीरियंस होता है। तो दिसंबर में क्या होता है कि जो नदर्न हेमिस्फीयर है अर्थ का, इंक्लूडिंग यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, एशिया एंड ऑल, उन कॉन्टिनेंट्स वो नॉर्थ साइड में आते हैं। तो दिसंबर में जो अर्थ होता है वो टिल्टेड होता है, सन से दूर दूर की तरफ टिल्टेड होता है। और ऑस्ट्रेलिया साउथ में होता है तो वो सन के पास टिल्टेड होता है। तो जब बाकी सारे कंट्रीज दिसंबर में विंटर एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे होते हैं, उधर ऑस्ट्रेलिया समर एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा होता है, इसलिए उनका क्रिसमस समर में आता है।
ओके वेरी गुड। चलो, आई होप नाउ एवरीवन understand this. Yes. Okay, now today I have more question for you. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, just a minute. You know the difference between that LPG? Hello, you
Yeah.
know the difference between that CNG and LPG?
Yes, ma'am. CNG is liquefied petroleum gas, and sorry, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG
Hmm.
is compressed natural gas.
Okay, so what are this means? Why these options we have? Yes, who wants to give answer? CNG vehicles, electronic vehicles. Okay, but what is this? That LPG, where we are using this LPG and CNG.
Oil pigeon gas cylinders.
Okay, and CNG in vehicles.
Vehicles.
Okay, so just a minute. Okay, we'll start with question answer. Okay, everyone, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I did not share the screen, just a bit. I'll share the screen. Okay. So here cold weather season.
वो लोग मदद ले सकते हैं
Cold weather seasons remains from dash to dash.
November to February.
Okay. Yes. Any other reason?
October to March.
Any other answer? Anybody wants to give the different answer
October to
for
March.
this? October. I think Anuj, have you heard about that October heat? You gave the answer, no? October 2. So you know what exactly it means? What is that? October heat. The temperature increases. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So how, as we can say, it's October heat, and you are saying that October is a cold month. Okay, students, you know the coldest month? Which month is declared as the coldest month?
I guess
December.
No.
December.
Yes.
January.
January. Okay, January. January is, yes, it's the coldest month. The climate of India has been described as type, dash type. Bolo? Already I told you.
Tropical
Yesterday
monsoon
we
type.
Tropical monsoon.
It's a
Tropical
monsoon
monsoon type.
type. Okay? You have to use only that monsoon. Yes? Monsoon type. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, hot and dry winds, or the hot and local winds of the particular place when it blows during the summer season, what it is called?
Double so bolo, ma'am.
Rajasthan and Delhi, we are experiencing this. The
Ma'am,
hot
can you
local
repeat the
wind.
question?
Ma'am,
Ah,
Lou.
yes, I'm repeating this. Yes, it's
Lou.
called as Lu. The hot local wind of Rajasthan and the Delhi. Okay. Yes, so it is called as Lu, and it blows in summer season. Now, next question. Sundarbans is in
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
West
yes.
Bengal.
Sundarbans is in West
West.
Bengal. Okay, next. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros are found in the forest of.
Kaziranga National Park.
Kaziranga National Park.
Now tell me the state name.
Assam. Assam.
Assam.
Assam.
Yes. What is the state name?
Assam.
Assam.
Assam. Okay. Correct. Yes. The deepest point on the earth.
Mariana Trench.
Mariana Trench.
Where it is located?
Pacific
Where it is
Ocean.
located? Sorry? Where it is
Pacific Ocean.
located? Yes, it's located in, okay, Pacific. The Dash Ocean is named after a country.
Indian Ocean.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The Dash Ocean is named after a country.
Indian Ocean.
Yes, boys. The continents of Europe and Asia together are known as.
Eurasia.
Correct. The Dash is a narrow contact zone of land, water, air. It supports life.
Island.
No.
Peninsula.
How peninsula?
Uh,
See, the Dash is, listen. The dash is a narrow contact zone of land, water, and air that supports life.
Atmosphere.
Biosphere. Ecosystem, ma'am. Ecosystem.
It's
Biosphere है
it's it's
Biosphere.
it's biosphere. Okay. Chalo, now we'll start. Yes, with our regular session. I already asked you the questions. Chalo. Okay. So we have done that monsoon, है ना? This we have done. Climatic condition, climate and weather, I think. Done, है ना? Yes? Students?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Yug.
Ma'am, current affairs also.
Sorry?
Ma'am, current affairs.
What current affairs? I already had taken. When I'll conduct your GK session. That time I'll. Okay?
Ma'am, today's GK class only. GK and current
Study
affairs.
class.
हाँ क्या? Sir didn't. Okay, sir didn't inform me regarding that. Okay, no problem. I'll prepare some question and tomorrow I'll take. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Again, I'll ask then different questions to you, which is related to the okay. So here a few questions are there related to the GK. Okay. So first, what is land use? I think you might have heard about this land use. You already learn. Yes. You know the land use. Actually, we are using for different purposes. But here options are. Okay. So first, land we use for the rural areas, for mining, fallow land, and the purpose which land in region is used.
Fourth option.
Fourth option. Correct. Now the next. Land use is the interaction between. Listen carefully. Yeah? The land is used as the interaction between. First option, geographical factors and man. Second option, natural factor and animals. Third, private and public sector. And the last, forest and man.
First.
First,
Option
ma'am.
number first.
Geography and man.
Option 4.
Yes, correct. Very good. It's a geographical factors and man. Okay, now next question. What type of land is used for agriculture?
Fertile land.
Lands.
Okay, so here options are correct. Okay, that fertile plains, actually here that minerals, coastals, the fallow land and the fertile plains. Okay, now one more interesting question I have. Have you heard about that endemic plant and exotic plant? Have you heard about that endemic plant and exotic plant?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have heard these words.
Huh. So without search on Google, just please try to give the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this lecture is recorded.
Hi, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Come on, students. What is the difference between this endemic plant and exotic plant? Okay, I'll explain you. Listen carefully.
Exotic means endangered.
Okay. No, not like that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Say, yes.
Can you please repeat your question? I had to leave the class because there was some technical issue.
Okay. So what is the difference between that endemic plants and exotic plants?
No idea, ma'am.
Okay. I think Tanvi, you're facing network issue. Okay. Yug,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to manage? Please allow me to share the screen. Okay. And who is just making noise in between, please remove them immediately. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, Yug?
Yes, ma'am.
See, Mangya again he came. Mangya again he entered. Okay, I'll explain you first of all this, what exactly it means. Listen carefully, everyone. Okay? Wait. See, this endemic plant means what? This particular species of plant can be found in the particular area. Okay? Yes. Yug, please just remove this, Mangya. Remove him from the class. And allow me to share the screen.
Ma'am, how to allow?
Oh. Okay, Yug, no problem. Just make me host again. I'll see. Okay. Sure. Co-host option is not there. It should be there actually. Okay. See. So here that endemic species. Okay. So as we can say this endemic species. Okay. So here this species can be found in the particular area. Okay. So as we cannot say it's a native plant, but when we are talking about that exotic, okay, are you getting me? Exotic plant and the species of plant, so it can be found in the particular area. Okay, so as we can say it's a native plant also can be there. But these plants are very much, as we can say, very much dangerous, okay, and the poisonous for the biodiversity. Are you getting me? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here actually this is the difference between this endemic plant and exotic plant. Okay. So I'll ask you next question. I think you might have heard about the different kind of industries. Yes, private
Yes, ma'am.
industries, public industries. Okay. Then here that ownership industry on the ownership that private and public. Okay. When we are this cooperative sector, okay, cooperative industries. Okay. So like this. Now we will talk about the different. Listen carefully. What types of land used for agriculture? So here that as just now we have heard about that plain. Okay. But here in the plain area, which kind of soil we can found?
Fertile soil and
Alluvial soil.
alluvial.
Yes,
Alluvial.
it's alluvial type of soil. Okay. Now next question. Why the distribution of population is dense in urban areas? Why the distribution of population is dense in urban areas?
Much
Availability of
Due to
pressure on
water.
industrialization and ample of job opportunities.
Okay. Yes, any other reason? For the education purpose also the people are living? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
better for better jobs.
For employment opportunities.
Due to
Yes, for
better
employment,
hospitality.
okay, for education. Yes,
Due to better hospitality.
yes. Who is that? Who is doing this? Okay. Now here next question. Have you heard about that the scale, different kind of scales? Scales. Mapping
No,
scale पता है आपको?
Ma'am,
Mapping scale in some time we are using in maths. Okay, so here this question is based on this scale. After the preparation of the map, what is necessary to mention? Map scale, distance scales, country scales, and the numeric scale.
distance.
Yes?
Map
Ma'am,
scale.
distance scale.
Yes, it's called as a map scale. Okay, because see, whenever as we are measuring the particular, no, not measuring, as we can say, whenever we are just representing, okay, any particular map of particular region. So we which state is the highest sex ratio?
Kerala.
Kerala.
Yes, and education wise also Kerala, as we can say, is the most educated. Yes,
Can you repeat the question?
when we are talking about, yes, who is asking for the repetition? Which state has the highest sex ratio? It's
Bihar.
Kerala.
Kerala.
No, which state has the highest sex ratio? Just now I asked you, right?
Kerala.
Okay.
Kerala.
Now, what is the process? Okay, correct answer. Now, next, what is the process of converting water into steam or water vapor called?
Evaporation.
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 It's called as evaporation. What is called to on the ocean bed there some landforms which are deep, narrow, and steep. So here options are continental shape, continental slope. Questions kya?
Yes, ma'am.
See, listen carefully. What is called to on the ocean bed? There are some landforms which are deep, narrow, and steep. And the options are first option, continental shelf. Second option, continental slope. Third option, marine deep or trenches. And the last option is island.
Island.
Ma'am, island.
No. See, what is called on the ocean bed?
Continental.
There are some landforms are there. So where the landforms can be found? It's a marine deep. Marine deep. Okay, marine deep and trenches, as we can say. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of area are not conducive to industrial development? Which type of areas are not conducive to industrial development? So here options are first, dense forest and desert. Second option, agricultural. Third, urban. And fourth, industrial.
Ma'am, option
Ma'am,
one.
option A.
First option.
Yes, dense forest and desert. Correct. The outer core is made up of
Sorry. You.
okay, I'll tell you the options. First, gold, hydrogen, iron, and oxygen.
Oxygen.
Iron. Iron.
How who is saying that oxygen? How can, okay, how it can be made up of oxygen? Yes, iron is the correct answer. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes.
question. The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is the result of. Now the options are first, revolution. Second, the rotation of Earth. Third, claims. Fourth, formation of sections.
Revolution.
Ma'am, option second.
Rotation.
Rotation.
Rotation of
Option of Earth.
Rotation,
Yes.
yes.
What is the correct answer?
Rotation of
Pakka. Rotation.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
lock
Rotation.
karo. Correct. Next question. Okay. See, yeah, it's very important. It's logically everyone has to find. Tanvi, please raise your hand and please erase this. Who is that? Who is doing this? Don't know. So I can make you host. And please erase this. And allow me to share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Everyone,
the
you can
previous answer
just
should
hold the
be,
pencil and paper also. Okay? Yes, Yug?
ma'am, I think the previous answer should be revolution.
The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is the result of. Yes? Movement of the sun from east to west, result of.
No, ma'am, it's rotation only. Yes.
Yes, it's rotation only. Okay? Tanvi, please allow me to share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sending a
You send the
request.
request, I'll allow.
Yes, I sent the request. Everyone, you can hold the pencil and
Yes,
paper.
ma'am. I
Okay?
have allowed you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now the question is, Mashhad, a town in Iran. Everyone just listen carefully. Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on 60-degree east longitude when it is 12 noon at Greenwich time of marshland. It's a marshland. Everyone, I want the answer.
Ma'am, please repeat
Ma'am,
the
can you
question.
please repeat your question?
Ma'am, 4 hours.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I
I just
remove
want to
him?
hear
He's
this.
constantly disturbing.
Please remove him. And allow me to share the screen. I'm not able to. Yes.
मैम किसी ने व्हाइट बोर्ड ये किया है।
मैम वो मंगिया किसी ने वो व्हाइट बोर्ड खोला है, जब तक वो बंद नहीं
इसमें
करेगा शेयर नहीं कर पाओगे।
But host can only do this, na?
नो मैम, व्हाइट बोर्ड कैन बी शेयर्ड बाय एनीवन।
Oh. Okay. So everyone just note it down. Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on a 60-degree east longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of marshland.
Ma'am, 4 a.m.
Done, everyone? Anybody wants to give the
Can you
answer?
please repeat the question?
4 a.m. ma'am.
Yes. Mashhad. Okay. It's a Mashhad town in Iran. Is located on the 60-degree east longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of marshland. Shall I give the options? Who said that 4 a.m.?
Ma'am, it should be 4 p.m.
Who is that brilliant boy? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. It's 4 p.m.
Okay, who gave the answer first? Prathamesh or Yug?
No, ma'am, I gave second answer.
Ma'am, I said 4 a.m.
Okay, who said? Okay, who said that 4 p.m. first?
Ma'am,
Tanvi was the second, but who was first? Okay, Prathamesh, very good. Yes, it's correct. Actually, here that 15, okay, 15 ka difference is there. And then you have to just calculate it properly. Okay, now next, what matter comes out of volcanic eruptions? I think
Ma'am, lava.
don't
volcanic
need that.
lava.
No, I want the different things which are just erupt out.
Ash.
magma, poisonous gases.
Harmful gases.
Sir, yes.
Okay.
Ash, lava, harmful gases.
Dust also.
हाँ. Steam
Ma'am,
Heat.
can
is
we
coming out.
Heat also.
Ma'am, parent rock for black soil.
Okay. Now next question. Yes, that which matters comes out. Actually here that water also. Yes, it's coming out or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It's hot magma, gases, steam, ashes. Okay, and the dust particle. Okay. Now here next question. Initially the earth was in what state? Initially the in what state? And the options are, listen carefully. Initially the earth was in what state? It is in a gaseous. Second, it's a liquefied. Third, solid. And fourth, evaporated.
Gaseous.
Gaseous state.
Ma'am, gaseous state.
Correct. Yes. Okay, your answer is correct. Next question. In which ocean does the Labrador current flows?
Ma'am, is it Atlantic?
Ma'am, Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic.
Which Atlantic? North, south, east,
Ma'am,
west? I want a proper answer.
North Atlantic.
Correct. Very good. Okay, now next question. The moisture holding the capacity of air depends on it.
Temperature.
Yes, Tanvi?
Heat.
Temperature.
No, Tanvi. Yes.
Temperature.
Temperature is the correct answer. Next question. Several factors are responsible for the development of region. Out of this, which are important factor? First option, water. Second, minerals. Third, population. And fourth is literacy.
Ma'am, option A, water.
Literacy rate.
Water.
Ma'am, literacy.
Ma'am, water.
Literacy rate.
You
Literacy.
didn't understand the question, you know?
Ma'am,
Can
See,
you
you
listen
repeat the
carefully.
question?
Several factors are responsible for the development of region.
C, option C.
Out of this, which are important factors?
Literacy rate, ma'am.
Literacy.
Okay, Abhishek, you are saying that literacy rate. Suppose, for example, a particular country, as we can say, it's very much rich in natural resources. Okay, and only as we just assume that only 20% population is there. Okay, and suppose 80 or 100%, as 100% as we can say, what? 100% natural resources are there. Okay, but here if the population is very low or less, so they can use all the natural resources. That natural resources can be used. Which factors are affecting on the natural resources?
Temperature.
Yes. नहीं, देखो अनुज, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, अगर देश की जनता बढ़ रही है, ओके, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, अगर देश की जनता बढ़ गई है और यहाँ पर जो है, अगर सपोज, लिसन केयरफुली, अगर सपोज ये population is increasing, so it is affecting on what? It is affecting on natural resources. Are you getting me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अगर देश की population बहुत बढ़ रही है, so it can be affecting on the natural resources like land, water. Yes.
Yes.
It is affecting or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर सपोज पॉपुलेशन जो है बहुत कम है, तो कौन यूज करेगा वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस?
Available population.
हाँ, लेकिन वो पूरा पॉपुलेशन यूज नहीं होगा ना. अगर सपोज सिर्फ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस है, ओके, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिर्फ अगर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस है, ओके, और वहां पर जो है नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस तो है, लेकिन वहां पर लोग ही नहीं है यूज करने के लिए, तो वो क्या यूज है दैट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस का? Is there any news for that natural resources?
No.
Natural resources कब natural resources कही जाती है? When we are calling as a natural resources, when they are, as we can say, available for the people, then when they are valuable for the people. Are you getting me? And when they are accessible to the people. Are you getting me? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So these three
Yes,
important factors are important. Okay? Yes? For the natural resources. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next question. Everyone just hold your pencil. If it is 8 a.m. in India, what is the time in Greenwich?
Three 30.
Okay, Yug. Yes, anybody wants to give the answer?
2:30.
Yug? Okay.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
If it is 8 a.m. in India, what is the time in Greenwich?
2:30. 3 a.m.
Shall I give the options?
2:30.
Ma'am,
Shall I
8
give the
o'clock minus
options?
5:30 ना.
Yes, ma'am.
1:30.
कैसे कैलकुलेट किया आपने बोलो?
1:30.
5 hours 30 minutes
10:30.
आगे इंडिया का.
10:30.
Ma'am, 10:30 p.m.
Okay, how you calculated? Yes?
Ma'am, 8:30 minus 8 o'clock minus 5:30.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am, because
Yes,
our
ma'am.
Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead ना.
हाँ. So, okay. So here options are
2:30
okay.
actually. 2:30
Okay.
is the answer.
Okay, I'm just telling you options. Okay, which is the correct option? Just please let me know. First option, night 8 p.m. Second, it's afternoon 1:30 p.m. It's night 2:30 a.m. and noon 2:30 p.m.
Night 2:30 a.m.
2:30 a.m. Yes.
Option 3.
Yes, anybody wants to give the different answer? Yes. India, it is 8 a.m. Okay. So we have to just calculate by 15, right? Are you getting me? Yes. Hello.
What, ma'am? What is your question?
No one has given the correct answer. It is 8 a.m. in India.
2
What
a.m.
is the time in Greenwich?
Ma'am, 1:30.
Ma'am,
PM.
1 a.m.
30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. में confusion है.
Ma'am, 1:28 p.m.
No, who has given that answer 1:30? Everyone?
Ma'am, me.
Aditya, how you calculated? Please just tell to others.
5 hours 50 minutes ahead. Just plus after 8 o'clock.
Everyone, you got it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, normally it can be used. This type of question, it may be not come, but then also as a practice I have taken. Okay? Yes?
Ma'am, but
What
8
is
o'clock
called?
minus 5:30, 2:30 only ना.
I'll explain you, Yug. Okay? I'll explain you how to do it. Okay?
Okay.
I'll just make a calculation, then it will be clear to you. Okay. Now here next. You know the velocity of ocean currents? The velocity of ocean currents, and the options are: first, around 2 to 10 kilometer per hour. Then second, 25 kilometer per hour. Third option is 100 kilometer per hour. And the fourth option is 10 to 20 kilometer per hour.
Ma'am,
Option D.
Ma'am, option 10 to 20.
Shall I repeat the options? What
Yes.
is velocity? Okay, what is velocity of the ocean currents? First, around 2 to 10 kilometer per hour, 25 kilometer per hour, 100 kilometer per hour, and the 10 to 20 kilometer per hour.
2 to 10 kilometer per hour.
Ma'am, 10 to 20 kilometers.
Yes, your answer is correct. 2 to 10. Okay. Your answer is correct. Which of the following is small industry? Which of the following is a small industries? Okay. And the options are machine parts, bookbinding industry, silk industry, and sugar industries.
Bookbinding industry.
Bookbinding. Okay. And when that basket weaving, okay, okay, that kind of industries will come in which type of industry?
Cottage industries.
Yes, it's called as cottage industry. Correct. Which is the deepest trench in the world?
Mariana Trench.
Mariana Trench.
Okay, it is located. Where it is located?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Yes, it's located in Pacific
Pacific
Ocean.
Ocean.
Okay, you know that another name for that, actually here that the particular thing, okay, it's called as the rings of fire. I think you might have heard about it. What exactly
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is?
The
Yes,
Pacific,
what it is?
ma'am, the plate of the Pacific Ocean, around all the plate there are uh, earthquake like situation.
Earthquake or volcanic eruption, like
Ma'am, there are volcanoes around it. Large number of
volcanoes around it.
volcanoes.
Okay, and that area it's recognized as a ring of fires. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, which industry develop in these regions where we are getting that excellent transport facilities, skilled labors, and uninterpreted supply of electricity? So first, iron and steel, then sugar, IT, and cotton textile.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, IT industries.
IT industries.
Ma'am, IT
Correct.
industries.
IT
Correct.
industry.
Which, yes, very good. In which method there are no words used for indicating measurements? First, verbal scale. Second, numerical scale. Third, linear scale. And fourth, graphical scale.
Ma'am, graphical.
Graphical scale.
Graphical
scale.
Array, what is the question? Which method there are no word use for indicating
Numerical
measurements?
scale.
Linear.
Ma'am, linear scale.
Linear.
Words are not used. So here
Numerical scale.
Numerical scale.
Okay, again and again, I'm just giving you hint. That is, okay. वर्ड्स नहीं यूज किए जाते, उसमें सिर्फ नंबर यूज किए जाते हैं. ओके. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Who is unmuted? Please just mute yourself. Okay. Now here next question. Which rock are formed due to the depositing of layers over layers and other sediments and pressure of Are you sure?
Ma'am,
Yes.
sedimentary
Layers
rocks.
or layers कहाँ रहते हैं? Yes,
Sedimentary
layers and
rocks.
layers means sedimentary. Okay, where the sediments can just deposit, yes, again and again. Okay. Which state has the lowest sex ratio?
Bihar,
Rajasthan.
Sikkim.
Who is this?
Rajasthan. Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Which state has the lowest sex ratio?
Haryana.
Not
Correct.
Haryana. Huh?
So, bolo. Here options are given: Kerala, Bihar, Haryana, Goa.
Haryana.
Haryana.
Haryana. High clouds are mainly made up of. High clouds are mainly made up of.
Dust particles.
Are you sure?
Yes,
High
ma'am.
clouds में dust रहता है क्या?
Ma'am, condensed water.
Ice, condensed water.
It's ice. Okay, it's ice particles. Yes, you know about that comets. One famous comets.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Can you tell me about it?
Ma'am, the
that
big
are made up of
solar revolve
dust.
around the sun.
Huh. And mainly that comets made up of ice and dust particles. And when it just come closer to the sun, it is started melting. Okay, and the long tail can be as appear. Okay, behind it. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is called as comets. One famous example.
Halley's comet.
Yes, correct. Now next question. Name the industry at Jamshedpur.
Tata Steel Industry.
Correct. Next question. The moisture holding capacity of air depends on it. Shall I give the options for this?
Temperature.
Correct.
Temperature.
Temperature. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You want to give the different answer?
ma'am, is it humidity?
I said give the answer. Don't ask me. What is called to the bolo? The moisture holding capacity of the air depends on it. Options are density, speed of air, temperature, height.
Temperature.
Speed of air.
Temperature.
Speed of air, yes.
Capacity of air to hold the moisture. It's condensation, na baba. Yes or no?
Ma'am, but where speed of air is high, there humidity is less.
But here, what is the question? See, moisture holding capacity, na baba. यहाँ speed नहीं पूछा गया आपको. Moisture holding capacity of air depends on.
Ma'am, moisture
Yes?
holding capacity, humidity only, na?
Is it humidity?
Temperature.
See, now the different answer I'm getting.
Ma'am,
Yes.
answer is temperature, no?
How temperature? Temperature option is not
Relative
given here.
humidity.
What is the answer of this? Humidity
Relative
means what?
humidity
बोलो.
of that
Humidity
place.
means क्या है? Humidity मतलब क्या होता है? आप देखो, humidity हम नीचे experience करते हैं. Yes, near the coastal area when you are going. Okay, so sometime, yes, as we can say, the water vapor presence in the air. Yes, that time as we can say the moisture presence in the air. It's a humid type of climatic condition. Are you getting me? Evaporation
Yes,
कब होता है? बोलो. Evaporation कब होता है?
When water changes.
When temperature increases.
When the temperature of the area is very high.
And then just water vapor just goes up and form the clouds. Okay, this procedure is called as condensation. Are you getting me? Are you
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so condensation will be the answer. Okay, as the air just as we can say, देखो हल्की जो हवा रहती है ना वो ऊपर नहीं जा सकती है. Just listen carefully. जब हवा भारी हो जाती है, okay, just carry the water vapor and okay or the moisture, so it just goes up. तो वो ऊपर हो जाती है and it just form the clouds. Are you getting me? Yes.
Yes,
बोलो.
ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, not understood.
ओके सी युग एक्चुअली आप देखोगे तो हल्की हवा जो है मतलब ओके जो कोल्ड एयर है ओके डोंट कैरी द मॉइस्चर और द वाटर वेपर. पहले से ही वो भारी होती है तो वो नहीं जाती है. लेकिन अगर when we are talking about this air when it just okay as get heated okay तो वो क्या हो जाती है वो ऊपर जाती है and it just form the clouds. ओके और वो भारी होने की वजह से क्या होता है इट्स जस्ट वी आर गेटिंग द रेनफॉल. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो
Yes.
हमेशा जो है कोल्ड या ठंडी हवा से हमें बारिश नहीं मिलती है. ओके यस
Yes, ma'am.
okay when it carry the moisture then and then only it goes up and forms the cloud. Okay, this condensation procedure can be occur and then we are receiving the rainfall and or we can say as a precipitation. Yes, in the different forms. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, which element is found in both its mantle and crust? Which element is found in both mantle and crust? Who is raising hand?
Silica.
Okay, the options are first silica. Are you sure
Silica, ma'am.
about
Silica.
it?
Yes.
Yes,
Sure.
silica.
Yes, silica is the correct answer. Next, how many ways are there for expressing the scale map? Okay, scale on a map. So you just want to tell me about that, the scale on, okay, in which type of we are expressing. So first one, second option 3, third option 2, and last option 4.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the options?
How many ways are there, therefore, expressing the scale on map? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bolo.
Ma'am,
2.
1.
Ma'am, 2.
How to?
Ma'am, 2.
I'm 3.
3.
Okay, अभी 1, 2, 1, 2 शुरू होगा.
3,
Sure.
4.
3.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2, 3,
4.
4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Actually 3.
3, ma'am.
3 is the correct. 3 is the correct answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please explain?
See, that vertical. Okay, vertically as we are, right? Then horizontal one axis. Okay. And the measurement we are taking. Are you getting me?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, your voice was
Y-axis. See, y-axis. Okay, then x-axis. And we are taking that particular scale to measure. Okay, measure as we are just measuring for 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer like this. Okay, so 3 will be the correct option for this. Are you getting me? Yes, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next question. What types of occupation is provided by industries or manufacturing units?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes. What types of occupation is provided by industries or manufacturing industries? Sorry, manufacturing units. What types of occupation is provided by industries or manufacturing units? And the options are primary, secondary, tertiary, and sugar.
Secondary.
Secondary.
Secondary, ma'am.
Secondary sector also called as a manufacturing sector. Okay.
Industrial sector,
Which
no?
हाँ. Okay. Now next, which is the most densely populated district in Maharashtra?
Ma'am, Raigad or Sangli?
Sorry.
Ma'am, Mumbai?
Shall
Ma'am,
I give the options to
Pune,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The options are Thane, Satara, Pune, Nagpur.
Thane.
Thane.
Ma'am, Thane.
Yes, Thane is the correct answer.
Ma'am,
The
क्योंकि वो
people below which age are totally dependent? See, the people below which age are totally dependent. And the options are 40 years, 52 years, 25 years, and 60 years.
60.
60 years.
60 years.
60
ma'am.
years.
ma'am.
Okay. Which region would be the ideal for fishing? Listen. Listen. Which region would be ideal for fish? Who is that? Vidya, Vidya, क्या है ये?
Ma'am, shall I mute the person?
Please, mute. Okay. Now come on, tell me, which region would be ideal for fishing? First, mountain ranges. Second, continental slope, continental shelf, and the abyssal plains. Remove him. Who is that? Please remove.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Which region would be ideal for fishing? Mountain ranges. Sorry, who said mountain ranges is the correct? Yes. Which region would be the ideal for fishing? Mountain ranges, continental slope, continental shelf, and the plain area.
Continental shelf.
Yes, ma'am. Continental shelves.
Yes, it's a continental shelf. Okay. An amount of 2% of profit have to be utilized for which purpose by industries? Listen carefully. An amount of 2% of the profit have to be utilized for which purpose by industries? First option, income tax. Second option, corporate social responsibility. Third option, goods and service tax. Fourth option, sales tax.
Ma'am, second option.
Ma'am, goods and services tax.
It's a corporate social.
Corporate
Yes,
and
it's a
social
correct
services.
answer. Yes, it's
First,
correct
no.
answer. Sorry?
Ma'am, option A, no.
Only 2%. A option, that is income tax na baba.
हाँ.
है ना?
Ma'am, can you please explain continental shelf one question?
Yes, of course, I'll explain. But before that, okay, no problem. I'll explain you this only.
Ma'am, and what is the difference between continental shelf and continental slope?
Actually, here continental slope and the continental shelf. Okay, here see, when we are talking about this, continental shelf, so here we can see the physical features, like that different kind of features are there on the sea bedrock. Okay, so here under the water, as we can see that different kind of that shelf. Okay, and when we are talking about the continental slope, so different kind of features we can found on the land. Are you getting me?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next question. Which state has the lowest population?
Sikkim.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Sikkim is the correct answer. Okay, not Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. What is known as the duration from one sunrise to the next sunrise? What is known as the duration from one sunrise to the next sunrise?
Day.
Day.
It's a daytime. Yes, it's a daytime. Okay. Next, which of the following Indian city noon time was already past?
Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the
It's
question?
very easy, yeah. It's very easy. Immediately, you people can give the answer of this. Which of the following Indian cities noon time was already past? Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Jodhpur, and Darjeeling.
Ma'am, Jodhpur.
How, Baba, Jodhpur
Ma'am,
past?
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling.
No. First of all, yes, in which state? Okay,
Ahmedabad.
okay, okay. First of all, in which state? Yes, that is Ahmedabad. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please explain the reason?
See, actually from here, okay, from Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, actually that region, the firstly they, as we can say, yes, so they can see, okay, the sun when it rises, okay, in the eastern side. But here when we are talking about that Gujarat, okay, are you getting me? When we are talking about Gujarat, actually Gujarat is the last, as we can say, last state. So when we are just experiencing that, so firstly, this, as we can say, it goes late. Okay, according to that, we are comparing with the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, देखो अभी अरुणाचल प्रदेश जो है मैंने पहले ही बोला था आपको कि just 2 hours ahead than us. Yes, but then also as we are following the same timing zone. Sorry, same timing zone. Yes, and that we are following that Prayag. Okay, that 82° 30 east or the minute as we can say. Yes. So that only we are experiencing. Okay. So that is why this is the city already that noon time was already past as we can say. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is called to oceanic crust earlier? First option Saima, second Sial, third Knife, and fourth lithosphere.
Saima.
No, Saima means what? It's a
Ma'am,
combination of
lithosphere.
silica and magnesium. Sorry?
Lithosphere.
See,
Lithosphere.
Baba, listen. Okay, okay. Listen carefully. What is called the oceanic crust earlier? Lithosphere हम नहीं बोल सकते ना. Lithosphere क्या है? As we are living on the crust. Okay, crust or on lithosphere. The land surface on the earth, it called as lithosphere. But when we are talking about this, yes, when we are talking about this, actually see, Saima. Saima, what it is? It's a silica and magnesium. Okay. When we are talking about Sial, it's a silica and aluminum combination. Are you getting me? And when we are talking about core region. So first, are you getting me? So first, when we are talking about core, so it's called as Knife. It's a nickel and ferrous. It's a combination of nickel and ferrous. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Now, in which of the following, which is not public utility area? The following, which is not public utility area. First, police station. Second, college. Third, hospital. Fourth, garden.
Garden.
Police station, ma'am.
Police station. College.
Garden.
Police station.
Not
Garden.
public utility area.
College.
Police station. Police station.
पुलिस स्टेशन. पुलिस स्टेशन. ओके, तो आप लोग जाते हैं नहीं वहां पे?
Hospital. Ma'am,
People are going or not for writing their complaint
Ma'am,
for the issue?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
In college, they are just going for the taking education. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Only the students are going, right? All the people cannot go. And here, when we are talking about police station, okay, so criminal people, those people having a doubt, okay, those people just want to just give a complaint in the police station, so these people can go. Okay, men here that in particular places, only particular places can go. See, suppose for example, police station में जैसे आपको पुलिस देखने के लिए मिलेंगे, चोर मिलेंगे, नहीं तो जिनको कुछ चोरी हुआ है या कुछ जिनको रिपोर्ट लिखवानी है, ओके, FIR लिखवानी है, so these people can go to the police station. Now when we are talking about college, अब कॉलेज में कौन कौन जाएगा? स्टूडेंट्स जाएंगे, टीचर्स जाएंगे, प्रिंसिपल जाएंगे, ओके? Are you getting me? In hospitals, doctors will go, patient will go. But in garden, as all the people can go, and these people can use that all this area, yes or no? But here, okay, here as we, if you're talking about this, so it is not a public utility area. Means here the people are just going and sitting there, okay, to enjoy that, or as we can say for the refreshment, the people are going. Are you getting me? So all these things, as we can say, it's a public utility, like police station, the public can go, okay, and here they can get, as we can say, the justice, okay, even that police also can help them out. In college also that utility, as students are going, so they are taking education, okay. In hospitals, patients are going, doctors are treating to them, okay, like this, as we can say, these all are the public utility area. When we are talking about garden, so people are going, okay, but here as we can say the people are not utilizing, yes, only for the refreshment these people can go, okay, okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, what is the process of igneous rocks formation? Options are volcanic eruptions, second option earthquake, third deposition of sediments, and fourth chemical reactions.
Ma'am, volcanic eruptions.
Volcanic
Option A, volcanic eruption.
eruption.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So volcanic eruption, that two types of rocks can be formed. External, okay, is external igneous and the internal igneous, okay. Done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. What is the nature of equatorial currents? What is the nature of equatorial current? The options are first warm, then second cold, third mix, and fourth none of them.
Ma'am, warm.
Ma'am,
Yes, it's हम mix नहीं बोल सकते बेटा. See, equatorial region, as I already told you, here the direct sunlight can be, as we can say, reflect. That is why it's a temperature and the climatic condition is very much hot. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Hot and wet, as we can say, mix हम नहीं बोल सकते, because mix मतलब क्या होता है वो? It's a moderate type of climatic condition. Are you getting me? Neither hot nor cold. So this kind of climatic condition is called as moderate. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is for today. So we'll meet you tomorrow. Chalo. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you so much. Tanvi,
Thank you,
please.
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, why did you share screen today?
Hello. Hi, yes, Yug. Tanvi, please end the meeting. Yug, you were saying something?
Ma'am, he was saying something, so I stopped.
Okay, okay. Yes, Yug, continue. You were asking something? Now speak up na.
Ma'am, he was asking that why did you share the screen today?
Okay. So I just want to give appreciation when you are giving quick answer. है ना? That's why I shared. Okay, that PPT ka, Tanvi?
Yes, this PPT he was asking them. Now you're sharing the
Why
slides.
I have shared this? Okay. To give a reaction on your question and answer. Okay? Chal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Tanvi. So please end the session. Thank you so much.